Katanat Public Health Engineering ke Khuborjylla mentas ngi ke arpo arterik kulber arjar arpisau kelaraki ke World Water Day halor ke pangpedeng ke boong Water for Peace ke balalong ha ususatham auditorium Shillong. Haba ajing kren hagani kesngi u Chief Secretary ke Jilla UDP Walang u balong ukongsan ulong ka ke de ke jingem jingi iwe pe iwe. Kumta ngi Donkam ban sumar ye ki telong ye ka may mariang bat ngi day banang ban Tyngkai ye ko haba ngi Donkam. Shushu ulong ba ka jingdon jong ka scheme Jal Jivan Mission kalairap shibon pengin yo iki bang di. Hakani kesngi la samru iki khusnam sheki nongjob haki jingya kop babunjat habaya day bat ka World Water Day.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today to commemorate the World Water Day, we are called upon to reflect on the profound significance of water in our lives and its role as a catalyst for peace and prosperity. This year's theme, Water for Peace, resonates very deeply with all of us, urging us to recognize the vital importance of water in fostering cooperation, harmony, and sustainable development. We will delve into the relevance of this theme, particularly in the context of Meghalaya, and explore how initiatives like the Jal Jivan Mission, that is the JJM, are instrumental in ensuring access to clean water for all of us. Meghalaya, often referred as the abode of clouds, is blessed with abundant rainfall and rich water resources. The state's breathtaking landscapes, encompassing verdant hills, cascading waterfalls, and pristine rivers, bear testament to the sheer splendor of nature's bounty. However, amidst the natural beauty lies a very, very pressing concern: the need to safeguard and manage these water resources sustainably. In Meghalaya, water is not merely a commodity but a way of life, a source of sustenance, spirituality, and cultural heritage. From the sacred waters of Omyam Lake to the serene depths of the Tyngkai Falls, water permeates every facet of Meghalaya's society, shaping its traditions, customs, and identity. The state's indigenous communities have long revered water as a symbol of purity, with rituals and ceremonies dedicated to its preservation and sanctity. As we celebrate this World Water Day, let us heed the words of Leonardo da Vinci, who famously declared, "Water is the driving force of all nature." Indeed, water is the very essence of life, sustaining ecosystems, nourishing crops, and quenching the thirst of billions around the world. Yet, despite its fundamental importance, access to clean water remains a luxury for many, particularly in rural and marginalized communities. The Jal Jivan Mission, launched by the Government of India, is a testament to our collective commitment to address this disparity and ensure access to piped water supply to all the households. With its ambitious goal of providing functional tap water connections to every rural household, the JJM represents a watershed moment in India's journey towards water security and water equity.